So the first thing to do, I think the quickest thing to do is actually head to the settings section of your app. And one thing I like to do first is go ahead and upload a logo. So we're going to go ahead and upload my logo. It should be on my desktop. I put everything that I needed onto a folder on my desktop, and you'll see that that's just gathering all the documents that you need to set it up will actually be really helpful. So I'm going to use my logo PNG. Highly recommend a PNG version, this one, and because it will show nicely with a transparent background. Click save. So this is going to be saved across all of your, your contracts, your gallery, everything. So just really simple, making everything look branded for you. You can come in here and change your email signature. I just like to have my logo and just simple because I'll do my sign off email automations and then update my client proposal. So I'm going to come in here and update my client proposal. Please note that your session will be officially closed once you review, accept the proposal, review, and sign the complete questionnaire. And once your payment has been confirmed, your session exclusively, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, you can come in here, customize it what you want, and then you can say message, send me an email. And then I'm going to hit save and come see the preview. It actually looks a lot better than that the preview is showing. But that's the first thing I would do is recommend is coming in and updating your logo.